Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
And I'm Matt.
On today's Saturday the Core series, we're exploring green creme de menthe. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, you want to tell me more about this very, very green?
I do. Look at this beautiful Hermione Walker Creme de Menthe green. Look at how green it is. So it's kind of hard to see. There's the light, but whatever. It looks black. It's green. It's very green. I don't know if you can see there. Green.
It's much greener in the light. I don't know. There we go.
There you go. It's very green.
It's almost Listerine.
Yeah, originally created as a digestif. Beautiful thing here. Another beautiful college purchase. So 20-plus-year-old bottle as usual. All these wonderful liqueurs at 15%. Made with sugar, mint leaves, and green coloring. Really coloring. Now, some versions of do not have coloring. They just take it off of the mint. That's clearly coloring because that's like major food dye green. Usually it's a Corsican mint steeped in grain alcohol and then add the sugar to it after several weeks. It's also a digestif. Apparently it's very good for digestion after dinner. Also is a big deal in the Grasshopper and the Springbokkie in South Africa. So let's see what we think, which is a combination of this and Amarula. All right. And then they do this crazy dance about this war and stuff, and it's interesting. And Will's like, oh, God, I can't handle it.
So let's see there. Sugary spearmint gum.
Yeah, it smells like mint and sugar. That's about it.
I can't even bring my nose all the way in like I normally do, and it's not because of the alcohol vapors.
I mean, you just smell it from here.
The mint is so overwhelming.
Yeah, like if you ever mix this with anything, the mint is unbelievable. I used to mix this with bourbon when I was like 15 because it's delicious. It's basically, it's not really a grasshopper, but it looked pretty and it tasted good. So,
That's minty.
This is obviously for massive amounts of cocktails, not meant to be drank on its own.
Yeah, a splash of this to Sprite would make for a very winter drink. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. But it will make your belly feel good. It is minty and sugary, just like the nose, and that is all I get. There's nothing else in this besides mint and sugar, anyway.
The palate's a little bit more tolerable.
It is
than I was expecting it to be. It's not as sweet as I was expecting it to be. The mint kind of acts as almost a bitters. I'm going to take a second sip.
It's like double mint gum, really. Yeah. Once again, thankfully, it's not as sugar as I expected. So actually, this is quite nice. I actually really like that. That's good.
Yeah.
I can see you drinking that. Now after tasting it, I can see why you can drink a digestif. It's not that big a deal as far as it's not as sugary sweet as I thought it would be.
No. And it would help to settle.
Yeah.
All of the digestion going on. I that was a surprise for me, Matt. I was not expecting to enjoy this one as much as I do. I actually took a second sip, which if you're with the liqueur series, I don't do that a lot on these guys because usually they're way too sweet for my palate.
Yeah.
This one is more balanced than I was expecting it to be. That's for sure.
Yeah, I think this was a whopping $7 for a liter. So, back in 2003 or something like that.
Adjusted for inflation, that's about $35 now.
Yeah. I think they're like $10, something like that nowadays. 10 change.
Don't you forget the subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers.
All right.